What's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we're going to discuss that how you can change the background or blur the background when you are using Google Meet. So for this video tutorial I'll just create an instant meeting so we can see that how we can go through and change the background for our Google Meet. So let's suppose here I am in Google Meet and here is the camera open up, and as you can see I have an artificial background that I've set for myself. It's going to load up every time I join a classroom or join a meeting or something, and this is what will appear behind me in Google Meet. So how you can do it and how you can basically change the background for your Google Meet. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go to here, these three dots appearing on the screen. Click on these three dots, and after that what you need to do is you need to go to the Apply Visual Effects section here in this menu. Click on Apply Visual Effects and this will pop up. Now here you will see that there are no effects and blur. So basically if you click on the first one, it'll slightly blur the background. I don't have a background, I'm using I have a white background, but as you can see around my hand you will see artifacts appearing. It's basically due to the blur, and if I go on intensive blur, it's going to blur everything in the background. As again, I don't have anything in the background, I have a plain white background, so you won't be seeing anything from the blur, but this is how we can apply the blur. If I scroll down, you would see that there are a bunch of pictures and it's called backgrounds. So basically if I select one of these, what's going to happen is Google Meet's going to download them and then apply them for you in the background. So for this instance, I'll just go here in the morning condo and click on it, and you would see a blue progress bar here, and this is basically downloading, and then it'll get applied just like this on your picture. And you can see that a bit of a visual effect will also appear on your screen in each of these backgrounds. There are different one. Here it is this lens flare where it looks like it's actually a lens flare. So basically this is how you can change the backgrounds, and as you can see a little bit of artifacts are appearing on the edges of me. That's basically if you are in a multicolor background, if there are multiple objects in the background, then these artifacts would be in more amounts, because depending on your camera resolution, again, if you have a good camera they won't be appearing as much. But if you're using a default webcam of your laptop or your tablet, then there are chances that they might be in a higher number, these artifacts that happen. But these are just to, the purpose of these backgrounds is for you to take care of your privacy, and if you don't want to share what's around you or what kind of atmosphere you are in, or what kind of atmosphere there is inside your room, you can use one of these and just take care of your privacy. And again, I would go with and now if you want to use some custom image that you want to use for this purpose, how you're going to do that. So the first thing that you need to do is you can go to any stock providing website. For instance, I'll go with Unsplash, as I have here. I have a picture loaded here, or I can just simply go here and just search for rooms in Unsplash, and it'll show me a bunch of picture of rooms, and I can just go click on any of the pictures and just click on this drop down and click and download the original size. The more the size, the better the quality. So here, as you can see, it's downloaded. I can just drag it from here and drop it on my desktop, and after that go back to Google Meet. And once in Google Meet, here you would see an option in the background where it says upload photos. You click here, and after a bit of waiting, you can just this file explorer will open up. And now what you need to do is select that picture that you just downloaded and click on open. And now what's going to happen is it's going to upload it to the server, and after that it's going to apply. And as you can see, I downloaded this picture, and now it is set as my background for my Google Meet. So this is how you can change the background for your Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.